Nick lay in bed, Cly's phone in her hand, a sly smirk on her face. She wasn't playing every secret, every message. She was on it. Cly leaned against the wall, panic flashing across his face. He thought he was slick, but Nick always caught the vibe. She stayed quiet, watching, waiting, plotting her next move. And Cly, he knew trouble was coming. Nick swung her legs off the bed with confidence. Every step she made, the room belonged to her. Cly froze, hands half raised. "Me swear, me just to try survive ya madness," he said. Nick leaned in close, whisper sharp like fire. "Survive? Ya think me a play with? Ya?" Cly backed up, mock panic in his face. "Ya know me love babes. Ya know ya a me baby." Nick laughed, spinning away, teasing, and untouchable. Her laughter filled the villa, chaos under her control. Cly reached out, still laughing. "Me can't this madness, me know what you want. Come here." But Nick was already one step ahead. Back on the bed, phone still in her hand, sly smirk glowing. "Cly, me not playing. Guan go play with ya pizza girl." Cly froze. Silence hit the room. The game had only just begun. If you still watching, stop play with me, like, subscribe, and share right now. Don't miss the next Nick vs. Cly episode.